The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057. 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
On the 1st of August 2024, a delegation from the Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum met with Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma and Tourism Minister Lyngdoh to present a memorandum concerning a recent incident in Umtyngar. During this incident, members of a local pressure group obstructed tourists from visiting popular destinations including Dawki and Sohra. The forum also provided recommendations to the state government aimed at ensuring the safety and security of visitors to Meghalaya while also considering the livelihoods of local tourist drivers.
We have met the CM and we have handed over to him a memorandum that expressed its concern about the recent incident in Umtyngar, where tourists were stopped by an NGO halfway and sent back to either Shillong or Guwahati. So we have condemned the incident and we have urged upon the state government to handle the situation. Not only Umtyngar, prior to Umtyngar there has been incident in Shillong and Tripoli that has created a sense of fear for people travelling to the state of Meghalaya. So it is the duty of the state government to ensure that tourists are safe while entering the state of Meghalaya or travelling inside the state of Meghalaya. And for us in the tourism sector, we need only one thing: law and order has to be maintained, peace and harmony. So it is the duty of the government to ensure that the state is under the situation where peace and harmony prevails, so that tourism can flourish. We have also not just given our concern, but we have also given our suggestions how to improve situation in the tourism sector, especially with regards to the current issue of the transporter. We have urged upon the state government to improve or expand the Lyngdoh airport, because we realize that the entire problem is because we are still depending on Guwahati airport. We are happy to see that the High Court has recently issued a statement asking the state government, the central government and the Airport Authority of India to see that mid-size aircraft like the A320, which can carry 180 passengers, should land at Lyngdoh airport. The CM has stated that even the state government is serious about this issue, and he has assured that they will take up the matter seriously. And of course, there are certain things that the Airport Authority of India has also stated, best known to the government. We also don't know about the details, but we have only one thing to say, that if the government of Meghalaya, government of India and Airport Authority of India works together to ensure that this mid-sized aircraft can land at Umroy, and also not connected only to Calcutta but connected to major cities of India, to start with Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai and Delhi. I think if we can do this, we are very positive that 80% of the problem that lies with the transportation sector will be solved. So this is one solution that we have offered. Second solution is that we have asked the state government to enforce security, sense of security in the tourist identified location, like Sohra, Dawki, then Mrtf. We have mooted the idea of having tourist police, and the CM has welcomed this suggestion, and the tourism department will work on details on how to take forward this suggestion given by us. The CM has also given his idea of engaging local youths. If not entirely, the tourist police will be handled by police department, but also engage local youths. We have also suggested that to take the service of the village defense party, but it has to be organized in such a way that the youths that are being taken as tourist police will be professional in the line of tourist police of Thailand and Singapore. So point number 3 is we also insist on again maintaining peace and order in the state, so that whatever we invested, I'll tell you, in the last 10 years, this tourism has expanded to rural areas, and people has made investment in terms of taking loan, either to make a homestay or a guest house. For people in the rural areas, to take a loan of 2 and 3 lakhs is not it's an issue that is a concern for them if they cannot repay back the loan. So we are also worried about incidents, stray incidents of the like of similar to Umtyngar should not be repeated, so that disturbances should not be created in the state that will create fear in the mind of visitors to the state of Meghalaya. I think Pak Ban